This is the first of many. It's gonna be a long ways, but I wanted to do this because honestly, Goodwill ruined my childhood. Um, I had some of these commercial planes, the Daron, like the ones like these. I had a bit of them, and they're all gone, but two of them. I have this American Airlines that's old, so the sticker I guess is kind of ripping off, and I don't really like it. And then I have United, where the front wheel is off, and both of the ends of the wings are snapped, and then one of the back wings is like shifted. I'm stacking them right now. I have like 8 road cones right now. I have telephone sign, wind sign, runway sign. Now this is from the Delta set, so I had a Delta plane, but that's gone. And then a departure. And I have some other planes that aren't Daron, but I'm not really counting those. But I decided going to start collecting every single commercial airliner for Daron there is, and there are a ton. I have a whole list, but the first one that's going to start this, it's kind of sucks because I didn't see it on Amazon, and on my trip to Hawaii, I saw it on a store like at the airport. I was like, okay, I got to get this. First plane we got, technically, to start the collection was Pan Am. This flight doesn't exist anymore because I believe some airliner bought it. So I have another one too. I have 2 right now. So let's do Pan Am. Make sure I gotta carefully. Oh, I think I don't need the knife. Wait, do I? Oh, yep. I see the tape. I see the tape. Okay. I want to be careful because I want to keep the boxes for all of these. Ooh, that came out pretty good. Was there another set? Yep. Ooh. Good knife. Thanks, Dan. Oh, look at that. So now it's got these annoying little strings on. Yeah. I believe we also use the knife for those. Actually, do we? I don't know. No, okay, I see. There's twisters on the back. I hate products that do this. So annoying. The little twisters. Oh, wait. I think you, like, tilt it side. Oh, okay. Well, these ones are easier. I should get a pair of scissors. I feel like that would make everything a whole lot easier. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get a pair of scissors. I don't want to leave my room. This footage will be cut out. Yeah, I have a pair of scissors. Maybe. Probably not. Okay. Got the scissors. That's just it's clean. Be careful. There we go. Woo! Feels so weird to have a new one. So this is Pan Am. It's 4-engine. Stickers are alright. I gotta definitely be careful with these. So make sure to keep the box and everything there. Cool. Alright, next is okay, so not all of the commercial airliners have what I guess they're called play sets, and they're basically like this bundle thing. Not all of them have it, but the main ones do. American Airlines, I decided to get that one first as far as purchasing on Amazon because it was technically, in a while, this is the most recent flight I've been on. I plan on getting the ones that I've been on first or just really know of. I've never been on a JetBlue, but I'm gonna get a JetBlue at some point. So this is the new American Airlines. So this was the old one. That also had a bundle pack, which is how I got this American Airlines service bus. But yeah, here is that. So let's carefully open this again. We got our knife, and there again, tape on the side. Actually, you never point the knife. Never cut towards you. Cut away from you. Boop. I believe on this side too. Careful. There we go. Actually, why did I do it on both sides? Do I really need to? I don't know. There we go. Boom. Alright. I can just put it up. We'll grab everything one at a time. We'll get the runway piece first. DFW. Whoop. And this one is MB. So there we go. Got one of those not broken. I have this somewhere. I could find another plane. Maybe they're not all at Goodwill. But like, oh, got it. Okay. Buckle up sign. Whoop-de-doo. Kind of have to trying to be careful with everything. Okay. There we go. New and clean. Let's get this one up. Arrival and departure one. Go ahead and put that nice in there. And these row cones are colored differently. So I had these white ones. Now I got these orange ones. So that's cool to have different colors. Let me save the best for last here. And then I have an ahead sign. Plane ahead. And I have similar. So now I have this one. Ah! Alright. So we got this one, and now the new one, the other American Airlines. Oop. And we also have food truck. Whoop. That's cool. Alright, and of course, the plane. Carefully remove, and there it is. Clean, new American Airlines. I think it's pretty good. Stickers are on pretty nice. Sometimes I feel like they just put the stickers on horribly, but This one's pretty good. Again, I feel like the stickers are one of the most fragile things with these. So, yeah, it's the American Airlines and Pan Am. Now, answering the question is, of course, I have this. This is a tolerable, but I'm still going to get this one again, especially this one because it's broken. And those I'll leave to the side. But yeah, this is the first of many. It's pretty good. Its quality will probably go up the more I get. Oh yeah, I also got a mail thing. Okay.